My name is Eric Sussman. I'm one of the founding partners of Clear Capital. My partners and I have been in business together for over 20 years. The firm focuses on the acquisition, repositioning, and monetization of multifamily properties throughout the Sun Belt region of the United States. We really believe that the Sun Belt region of the United States really offers the most favorable target for real estate investment dollars for any number of reasons. Great demographics, tremendous job growth. Frankly, it boils down to something really simple: too much demand and not enough supply. Our firm currently owns and operates about 3,500 units with a value exceeding $500 million. Recently, we've really been focusing on the Dallas-Fort Worth markets in Texas because we see job growth that's in the top 3 of the country, no state taxes, can't beat that, and really low levels of regulation in comparison to several other marketplaces. The objective is to increase rents and operating cash flow of the assets we buy by adding amenities to the projects we buy and improving unit interiors. Our target assets are those projects that have in excess of 100 units, generally assets that are B- to A- rating, again with value add opportunity. Our investor base consists of 200 or more accredited investors, namely family offices and quasi-institutions. I would describe our firm as transparent and investor-centric. We invest significant sums alongside our investors, all with the objective of aligning our interests in the projects we acquire. One of the things that we do is when we sell an asset, hopefully achieving the goals and objectives we originally sought out to achieve, is to reinvest the sums through 1031 transactions, really achieving an accumulator effect, compounding returns to our investors over a significant time horizon. The vast majority of our investors invest in numerous transactions with us over time, and I think that speaks directly to our track record and performance over time. Multifamily assets are where you ought to be for any number of reasons. The lack of affordability of single-family homes, favorable demographics where household formation is at historic lows, interest rates are rising, and the fact is millennials want job mobility and flexibility, and even the baby boomers, which is actually the fastest growing segment of the population of the country, are looking to multifamily assets as a much less cumbersome and flexible way of providing housing for them. We spend a tremendous amount of time, resources, and capital evaluating the assets we are considering acquiring. The results speak for themselves. Over Clear Capital's operating history, we have provided investors with annual internal rates of return exceeding 18%. We've paid quarterly dividends like clockwork. In 2017 alone, we paid over $10 million of dividends and nearly $17 million of investor capital that we returned through monetization efforts. We have never lost a single penny of investor capital. And again, I think that speaks directly to our obsession with due diligence and research.